Are you puzzled by those annoying hiccups? You need to watch this if you struggle with random hiccup attacks. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle just below your lungs, suddenly contracts. This contraction forces a quick gulp of air and your vocal cords snap shut, creating that unique hic sound. Now, why does this happen? It can be triggered by eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, or even a sudden change in temperature. Sometimes it's just your body being quirky. Most hiccups go away on their own, but holding your breath or drinking water can help. And remember, if hiccups last more than 48 hours, it's time to see a doctor. So next time you're hiccuping, just know your body's got a little rhythm of its own. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of science at Science Facts.